This is my blog, which is known as MANGOANSONGS. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a blog post of lyrics. So this is the button that I have added to my lyrics, and I will show you how this button works. So this is my testing blog, and I don't have any post so far, but I will create one post of lyrics. I will try to cover maximum that I can, including some of the SEO requirements. So we go to new post. We'll give a heading first, Wohima dash Hindi song with lyrics by Albert Pinto. Right, we will try to bring the lyrics inside the post. I have already have this lyrics here, Wohima. I will copy it and paste. Okay, I have already done the center alignment. Now I will search the song Wohima in my videos. This is the one that I want. God's production. These few words I will copy and I paste. Let me align this one. Go to paragraph, to normal, and make it large. Then we go to center alignment. There you are. And let us make bold also. Give a little space and mention as lyrics, which is bold. We'll make it largest so that it looks big. Yep, it's bold. Bring it a little down, and we will try to bring one image here of the song. So click on here, insert image. Now we go to the site youtubedownloader.co. I will give you the description below in the video of this site so that you can easily access it. So we will copy the URL of Wohima and paste it. Now we click on download YouTube thumbnails. After clicking, you have this different sizes thumbnail. I will take this one and I will save. Click on save as, and I will save in this folder. Save. Now again, we'll try to modify this image a little bit. We open Microsoft Office. Let the image come. Yes, there it is. Then we give little color, hue, saturation. I think that's okay. We'll save that one. Then we go to picture. We'll try to resize. We'll take web small. Okay. This is the one, and we'll click on OK. It's done. Now we go back to our blog and we will insert the image. Upload, choose file, Wohima, and this is the image. Select the image. There it is. Now we will do the SEO optimization. We copy this one. We click on settings, Alt, paste. Text title, paste, we'll keep it as medium, update. Now we'll go to our blog and we will take the blog URL, copy, click on edit, highlight the entire thing and paste. Click on apply. So we have the blog URL saved. Now we have to bring the video of the song. Give little spacing. Insert video from YouTube. Click on search. Let us find the URL. This is the URL of the video. And we'll paste it. And click on search. This is a video. Select. There it is. Our video is here now. Now, the next step, we have to bring the download button. Okay, we write YouTube video download images. Let us select images. And here you have several images. You can select any one of them. I have already saved one image. So I will upload the image. Choose file. Click on download button image. This is the image I want. Open. Select. So the image is here. Now, our next requirement is to bring the URL of the song. Copy the URL and go to the site. Click on edit. Paste it. And just after www. We have to write SS. So you write double S and save. Okay. So we check the preview now. Let us see how it looks. Okay. Title okay. The image is okay. And the video is this one. Fine. And the lyric size okay. And here we have the download button. Well, few more things. I have not set the labels and the menu in the blog. So I will just write here. Just for the sake of showing you, I put here in the songs. Let us go to permalinks. I put custom permalinks. And I don't have the search optimization where you have to give all the important search tags. I don't have that. Yes, and we will click on publish. Confirm. Click on view blog. Well, it's okay. It's okay. Slider is good. Keep reading. Let us see if the download button is working or not. My net is a little slow. Yes, click on the download button. Yes, there you are. It's working and it looks fine. Here you have the download button with many other options. You can choose any of the requirements. Right. I think this video will definitely help you, and I'm sure you're going to like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and motivate me to bring some more beautiful and important videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.